Girl Ord here with another video. So, returning subscribers, welcome back. New subscribers, welcome to the channel, y'all. So, I did a unboxing a week ago about this hair. It's called West Kiss Amazon, right? So this is the result of those bundles that I unboxed. And that's what this video is going to be about. But before we get into this hair, before we get into how it holds up and all that and how great it is, before we do anything else, have you subscribed? Have you hit the subscribe button? It's right down there. It should be on this side. It should be right down there. Hit the subscribe button. Right next to the subscribe button. As soon as you hit subscribe, the notification bell gonna pop up. Hit that too. Make sure that you get notified every time my videos come out. Let's stay connected. I wanna be right here with you. Right here. So just hit the subscribe button. It's free. Right? Right. Alright, so let's get into this hair. Alright, so I did the unboxing. I told you guys I did the unboxing. That was last week. And the hair is absolutely beautiful. So this is the hair. This is the hair. I created this wig with that hair. It was 3 bundles in a closure. It was a 24, a 22, and a 20-inch bundles with an 18-inch closure. Right? So first, the closure. I don't really use closures. I'm really used to frontals, but it was pre-plucked. It was absolutely a breeze to use. I absolutely love it. So what I also did in the front to make it look more natural is I put the little sideburns down or whatever so I could still put it behind my ear and have it look like something, you know? So it doesn't look so wiggy and it looks great. I've gotten so many compliments on this hair because I've worn it, you know? I don't want to give you guys a review if I don't know what it's like. So I wore it to work. Now I know this hair is a little bit much to wear to work with 24 inches, but fuck it. Why not, right? It's just hair. So the hair holds up outside. You know how sometimes you take the hair out, the wind blows, and then suddenly it's all bunched up. It looks all terrible. It doesn't blow nicely in the breeze. Sis, you could not tell me that I was not Beyonce today walking down the street with the wind blowing through this hair. What? It's so freaking beautiful. Like I can't even like express it enough how beautiful the hair is. I mean, when I tell you just blowing effortlessly in the wind, like it's so pretty. And it feels so good. Like all day I've just been running my fingers through it because it feels so nice. And considering I bleached this hair, because clearly that's how I got this color, right? I bleached it. It holds up to bleaching. All right, so let's go through the specs. What do we expect from our hair, right? First of all, me especially, I need to be able to color it. And this bleaches extremely well. When I tell you it lifted quickly, I didn't want it to be light blonde. This is the exact effect that I was looking to get, and it's exactly what I got. So it holds up to bleaching and everything like that really well. Shedding, it does not shed. And I cut the top wefts. But what I do is whenever I cut the wefts, I seal them with weaving glue. Like that's the simplest way to keep it from shedding. So only the tracks that I cut did I seal them on the ends where I cut it to keep it from doing any unnecessary shedding that could possibly come from me cutting the wefts. So that's what I did for that, and it has not shed since. Like when I tell you, like I'm running my fingers through this hair, see there's nothing. Like all day long I've been running my fingers through this hair and it just does not shed. Like when I tell you Amazon has come up as far as hair is concerned, it absolutely has. The hair is nice and thick. And you guys already know, like if you're a wig wearer, you know that long bundles, the longer the bundle, the thinner the weft, the thinner the hair, the bundle is altogether, because they give it to you by weight and not necessarily by like how much hair is on the weft. So if it's 24 inches as opposed to 10, the weight still needs to be the same, but you're gonna get less hair in the 24. But no, that's not the case here at all. It's nice and thick. Let me show you guys how long it is. See? It comes like to a little past my waist. Yes, wedgie. But yeah, not too, well, it is long. Like, see? It comes like to my booty. And it's just beautiful hair. Like, simply, like the wefts were nice and thick and sturdy. The hair, it washes well. It takes bleach well. There's no shedding. What else? It didn't have any odor when I first got it, even though I wash my hair anyway when it first comes. Like, unless it's like curly and I want to keep the pattern that it came in until I wash it, I usually wash my bundles right away. And that's what I did with this too. And it holds up to anything. Like, it's absolutely beautiful hair. I don't know what's been going on lately with Amazon, but yes, it's like AliExpress when it first was coming up, where they had some really, really great companies, but then they also had some really shitty ones. So I would say that if you are going to buy any hair from Amazon, that you look at reviews first. Just make sure that the company that you're purchasing from does not have shitty hair, because all of the hair is really, really reasonable. Like, the prices are great. Nobody's paying $400 for bundles no more, sis. Like, nobody's doing that. Especially me. Like, I'm the type where I like to change my wigs the same way I change my underwear. Like, dead ass. Like, it could be 5 days in a week and I could have 5 different wigs on every single day. That's how much I love. Like, it's an accessory for me. Like, if I'm wearing blue makeup, I might throw on a blue wig. Like, that's just the way I like to do it. So I can't afford to be spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars on bundles if I want to switch them out so quickly, you know? So the price is great. I'm going to link everything down below. I'm going to link you to their store. I'll link you to this particular wig that I got. That way you can see the price and whatnot of this hair, which was really, 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 really reasonable. I believe for these 3 bundles and the closure, it was like $150, or a little bit more than that. But either way, for this length and with a closure, you would easily spend $300-400, easily, hands down. So I'm happy with the price. I'm happy with the texture. I'm happy with the wefts. I'm happy with the non-shedding. I am just happy with this hair. Like, I intend to buy lots more hair from them for absolute sure, because, you know, it's reasonable and it's great hair. I could feel like I could just beat this hair to death and it's just gonna come out swinging. It's not gonna get ruined at all. So this, I could tell, is gonna be one of my favorite wigs. So if you guys liked this review on this Westkiss Amazon hair, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want to see me do any particular hairstyles with this hair, let me know, and I will. Like, I know the next thing I want to do is curl it for absolute sure. Like, I feel like it's going to give me so much volume, and it's going to be so freaking beautiful. Like, I can't wait to do that. So if you guys want to see me do anything else specific with this hair, let me know in the comments down below, and I absolutely will. So if you liked my review, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.